What is going on, family? It's your boy Terrell Bennett with Forex Executives, and this is the weekly Forex technical analysis breakdown. I'm gonna be running through a few pairs this week. We're gonna be talking about EURUSD, Euro New Zealand Dollar, Great British Pound USD, and CADJPY. If you look back on my channel, I just did a video on CADJPY, and it's kind of looking like it's doing what I said it was gonna do in the previous video. So we're gonna recap that as well. So let's just jump straight into it, man. Euro USD. I'm looking on the weekly chart. We got us a nice bullish candle on this weekly close of last week, but honestly, I think it's just a pullback. Guys, you hear me talk about this all the time. If the market breaks a structure area, I look for that to pull back, to retest, and then make a move to continuation in the direction that it's going. So you can see that the market did break below this weekly support. All right, pull back real deep to test it as resistance, and I'm gonna be looking for a nice bearish signal to take this thing short. Okay, so like I say, I like to paint multiple scenarios. So let's just break this thing down to the daily, see what's going on. All right, so you can see that I got these two trend lines that the market has been respecting. This recent trend line right here coming all the way down here. All right, we can see two things happen. All right, the market could push up to this trend line, give us a nice bearish candle, and we can take the move all the way down to this recent low or even lower, or the market could just explode to the upside. All right, so this area is a little tricky because, like I said, this is it was a support area that was broken. All right, and the market came back to test it, and it tapped it again, and then it looked like we got a nice little bullish close on Friday for a move up. So in order for me to take it short, I want to see the market give a nice bearish close below this weekly support now, probably give us a retest, and then a move to these recent lows or even lower. That's just what I'm looking at as for a short. If it longs, then I want to see a retest and then an explosion to the upside, breaking these trend lines and kind of just killing this little downtrend altogether. All right, so that's one thing to look at. Honestly, I'm a little biased short, but I'm gonna let the market kind of show me the direction that it's gonna go earlier this week, and at the beginning of this week coming up, so I can kind of get an idea on what's gonna happen. All right, so let's just jump over to the next pair. Euro New Zealand Dollar. I'm not gonna spend that much time on this chart. I'm still in this trade. I've been in this trade for about a good 10 days now. So I'm just holding this trade until I get something real, get a move all the way down to my target, or a big reversal that's gonna make me get out of this trade altogether. But we got us a nice little doji on a weekly. It's still trading in this channel. All right, it came back to test this channel high and got rejected. So I'm gonna just break it down to the daily. I think that the market is gonna come back to test it one more time before we get a nice little bearish move and a continuation to the downside. You can see on this candle right here, this nice little bearish pin bar, the market came up, tested this trend, this channel high, and was rejected. So I think the market is gonna kind of push up again, give us if we do get a nice little bearish candle either on the H4 or the H1. I'm actually gonna be looking for it on the H4, and then we can probably stack this trade and make a move all the way down to our target at 1.6350. All right, like guys, I've been in this trade since, I think up here I jumped in on this candle. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days I've been in this trade. It's all about patience, man. It didn't come overnight. I've learned to ride these trades and be patient, man. I'm all about just placing my trade and going to live my life at this point, man. I'm not trying to be a slave to the charts and all that good stuff, man. But hopefully we can get a move up to this trend line, a nice little bearish candle, and then continuation downside to our target. Hopefully we out of this trade by the end of next week. Let's jump over to the next pair, Great British Pound USD. I know everybody's seen Great British Pound go crazy last week. I've seen a lot of chat, a lot of people talking about the whole Brexit thing. And Great British Pound just got super strong. So, but the thing about it is it pushed right up into my weekly resistance area. So, like I say, I like to paint multiple scenarios. So, two things can happen. The market could continue to push up, and then fall off, or we can get like us a nice little double top and then a continue like a push down, a fall off pretty much. All right, so we did get this nice little bullish engulfing, but I don't want to buy into this weekly resistance area. To me, that'd be kind of stupid. So I'm gonna just wait to see if the market push up, close above it, pull back to retest, and then I get a move all the way up here to this area. If not, I'm gonna be looking for the market to kind of push up, make a double top, or a lower high, and then continuation to the downside. So let's just drop down to the daily, see what's going on. We getting some nice wicks up top, but this candle is going straight into it, is buying straight into it. So I don't see myself, unless I get like some, like I say, a big push up, a pull back, and then a continuation to the upside. I'm not going to buy into this area. I want to see the market I want to see the market short. So let's just drop down to the H4, see what's going on. Like I said, we did get this nice wick. We got a nice little wick here. So like I said, I want to see the market push and give us a nice bearish engulfing candle in this area. And then it's probably going to retest it one more time and then make a move to the downside. All right, so just pay attention to that. I don't know what's going to happen this upcoming week with Reddish-Brown. It could continue to be strong and just keep going up. So we'll see. And finally, CADJPY. In a video that I posted a few days ago, I said that the market could potentially be making a head and shoulders pattern, which it looked like it's doing right now. So I'm gonna be looking to take this thing short. We got us a nice little rejection wick up top on this at the end of this week. So that's great signs that this head and shoulders pattern is kind of forming. Let's just drop down to the daily, see what's going on. We got us a nice bearish engulfing on the daily, close right below this trend line. And on the video, I told you guys that I was waiting for the market to pull back to this trend line. I actually jumped in a tad bit early and took a loss on it. Not too big. I mean, nothing too crazy. You know, I always use risk management. So, you know, those things happen. It is what it is. I was being a tad bit aggressive. I didn't wait for the price action, which I should have. But it is what it is. It happens. So the market pushed back deep, but it closed right below this trend line. So the market probably is going to pull back, retest this trend line one more time, and then we might get a move all the way down to these recent lows. But I think we're going to get a move all the way down here to this 8180 area. All right. So just pay attention to that. Let's see how we're looking on the H4. Yeah. So like I say, we got a nice little wick. So it looked like the market may retest this area one more time and then give us a move all the way down to that 8180 area. So just keep your eye on that. And also, let me just show you guys something. On the Fib, the market did pull back to the kill zone. All right, if you look at my videos, you hear me talk about the kill zone all the time. That is the area between the 50 and the 61.8. All right, so the market did pull back into that area and got rejected with a nice bearish engulfing. And let's just see what the market do with this upcoming week. If we get a pullback, first thing, as soon as the market opens, we get a pullback, that thing start longing. I think it's going to be good for the short and a move all the way down to these recent lows, or even lower to my long-term target at 81.8. So just keep your eye on that, man. I hope you guys have a blessed week. Kill the market this week. I hope you have a great trading week, man. If you got any questions, man, feel free to leave a comment. All that good stuff. Like, subscribe, share the videos with your friends. If you got friends that's trading, I'm just trying to help. Just giving out free information. Like I said, guys, I'm gonna be shooting a lot more content videos, showing you guys a little bit more about me, not just a guy behind the charts and behind these videos, but me in my day-to-day life and all that good stuff. So I got a lot of stuff in the works right now, so just be a tad bit patient. I got a lot of stuff coming soon. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram tag in the description below, man. Like I said, if you got any value out of this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like, share, comment, all that good stuff. And until next time, y'all have a good one.